Hello my friends, how are you today? I'm Andreas from Motorfanatics and I bought a rust bucket. Welcome to another episode of Why Did I Buy a Subaru, and especially why did I buy this Subaru and a Subaru from England. I should have known better, and the more I think that I finish the rust problems, the more I need help and the more rust problems suddenly emerge. So because of that, well, let me rephrase it. Adrian has come to my aid in helping me because I was pretty pissed and more than a little bit annoyed with my car because we found another rust spot, 2 rust spots, and on the inside of both rear wheel wells. Which is not a big deal if you have the chance to gain access in any sort form of way. But you don't. And that's why I will now, with Adrian's help, explain to you where the problem lies and what we're gonna do about it. So let's move to the car and see if my mood changes. Talking about the problem, guys. We still need to find a solution. A friend of mine told me, sell the fucking car, buy another one from Japan. And now he's smiling behind the camera. No, I won't, because I don't want to. If I sell it now, it's half repaired, doesn't get that much money, probably not even the money I spent on it. But if I fix it, if I completely fix it, I've got a good car and a car of which I knew how the condition is. Coming back to the problem. Like I explained, the rust hole on the inner strut, in the inner wheel well, needs to be repaired from the outside, or which is the inside will be the outside as soon as the quarter panel is removed. The problem is, the C-pillar has a pillar which leans on here, which is in front of it. So actually the quarter panel would need to be removed to partially remove the C-pillar, the inner C-pillar part, and then replace or repair the rusted sheet metal, which is from the strut. But since I don't have a full quarter panel and just these replacement inserts, I can't just cut up everything that's up there to gain access, because this panel does just cover right here and the rust is more like here, which means at least up to here I need to remove the C-pillar, which is the inner C-pillar. So this is first of all out of the question. The other part, if you remember, everything comes tumbling down, like my ambition for this car. The other part is from the wide body kit, which at least heightens the access to roughly 1 centimeter underneath this line, because I still need some place to attach it. And this will probably, in the end, will be the way, the line until where I cut. But for now, we go the secure way and just start cutting this piece out to gain a little bit more insight on how it looks on the inside. I don't want to, but there's no other way to it than to do it, so let's do it.
Nice.
Welcome to the Krusty Krab. That's the inside of this panel, which was in there like that. So it's the upper part that's the problem. So since my car decides to give me a hard time, I'm gonna make it as easy as I can for myself. And now I'm just using my rolling chair. And yeah, why should I walk if I can roll to the workshop? So let me show you something about what has happened up there. So that's the corner. You can now see where the rust hole was. We are now on the right side. The left side is similar, if not worse. And this spot had the overlapped metal with the rust. We cut out huge piece, as huge as we could, with the chance to get a panel back in, and we're gonna weld it back in with a replacement part. We've put on rust stop, rust remover, rust converter, and there are small specks of remaining dust, but they are not major. They are deactivated by the Brunox rust, and this thing will get some major structure, major reinforcement back with this nice piece of metal we have built. Here we go. This time we will put it in overlapping so that we have maximum connection. We have already bended a small step to have a circa, to have an idea how to hammer it. We will weld it from the inside, seal it from the outside, and then hammer around the last bit and weld this spot welds with holes, and then seal everything. So that goes there, and when that works, this guy might be happy again. And so, my friends, this is how the cookie crumbles and the last of this week's episode. Because, yeah, this is pretty much everything that happened this week. A lot of bad mood, a few solutions, and the hope that everything will go right. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, press the subscribe button. If you kindly do, press the bell too. And anyway, we'll see each other next week. Bye bye.